So hello guys, and once again welcome to our class of e-commerce and Shopify. So in this class, we will see how Shopify works a bit more in details. More how the platform works, the app store works, because Shopify has an app store, where are the products, the customers, and everything, how to navigate in Shopify, how to navigate on your page, and all this stuff. So your menu is just here. First thing, the home. So when you open up your Shopify, you'll be on this page. So to customize your theme, simply click here. You will have access to all the themes. We will not going to see it in details because I have another class about it. We're gonna see a bit later, but just for your info, the themes you can, it's there, or you can find them in your home. Then when your store is ready and you're ready to buy a domain name, so it's like a .com or a .ca or whatever, it's gonna be here. So you click on add domain. For example, right now it's just this, so your domain looks like this. And if you need to buy the new domain, it's just there. So you write it and they'll give you how much it costs. For example, let's say I want to name it backpack. And we can see that this one is available and it's going to cost you $18 a year. Well, you're going to need a domain name. It looks a lot more professional when you want to create your store. You can't have a, let's say, backpack101.myshopify.ca store. It doesn't work. Okay. Last thing is setting up your payment methods, where you gotta put your credit card and everything. So it's all here. Don't worry, Shopify is very safe, so you will have to put your credit card here. But I never had no problems with them. Second thing, the orders. When you receive orders, it's gonna be on this page. The only thing we're not gonna make it because we're not gonna see it because you have to select the plan. We'll see a bit later on our course. For the products, very simple, the same thing. So all the products of your store will be here. We're gonna create a product just for example, just to see how everything works. So let's call it product 1, and we're gonna save it. When it's done, let's go on collection and do the exact same thing. Let's call it collection 1. So basically how it works, so here you're gonna put manual. The automated one, the way it works, you need to work with the tags. So you change the tag on product. So let's say here, for example, we're gonna write product. So it's gonna automatically select all the products that have product in their tags. So let me give you an example. For example, we have, okay, so let me explain you how it works. So the products go in collections. So our products are here. You have one product. So product 1, you have 0 in stock. Let's put the price to $50 and the quantity 10. Once again, it's just an example. After that, as I told you, the tags are here. So you will write product and save. So automatically the product should go in collection. So let's go in collection. You will have your product, product 1 in collection. In another case, if your collection, when you create a collection, let me give you another example. Here, instead of selecting automated, you select manual. This means you will have to enter all the products manually in your collection. So as I explained, products go in collections, and collections go on your menu. You'll see it a bit later in this class. After that, for gift cards, you need to have you can sell gift cards, but you need to upgrade your plan for that. So you need the $79 per month plan. We're not gonna use it anyways. Here you will have your customers. So when you will have, like, for example, customers who sign up to your website, enter their email and everything, they'll be here. If you already have a list of consumers, you can import it. So you just click on import and you can import it. Here are all the analytics of your website. So you can track all your sales, all your online sessions, everything is here. So it's amazing. So if you have sales, this one will grow up. If you have online session every day, this one will grow up. You can even change the dates. Here you have all the reports. After that, well, if you want to make discounts, it's here. So you can create discount codes. If you want to promote your product, for example, and put a code on Facebook or whatever, it's gonna be here. So you just write your discount code. So let's say you call it discount. You decide if you want it to be a percentage, a fixed amount, for example, 10% of the price, fixed amount, free shipping. If you want to, like, for example, buy a product, get a product free, you enter the value here, and all the specs are down there. And the discount will be active from one certain date. And if you want to set an end date, you can set it here. So we're not gonna create a discount code. Next thing, very important in Shopify, it's the Shopify App Store. It's gonna be very important for your store if you want to add advanced features. We're not gonna talk in depth about the App Store right now, because we're gonna talk about it when we're gonna be in the class about adding advanced features. But everything that you need, like, for advanced features is here. Like, for example, you want to do affiliate marketing, it's here. If you want to, if you want to do email marketing, it's here. If you want to add some add-ons on your website, it's gonna be here. Everything goes by the Shopify App Store. So very important for your Shopify, and very important for you to understand how it works. After that, let's go to your online store. So Shopify is a platform that, it's a platform that lets you sell products online. Also, you can blog on this platform, so you can create your own blog to boost your SEO, and this way you'll rank higher on Google. So for your blog posts, it works the same way. So your blogs are here. You can create a blog post. Let's say you call it blog 1. Once again, it's just for test, so we're gonna save it. Once again, your blog will be in news. If you want to create a new blog, it's gonna be here, so let's keep it in news for the moment. After that, those are the pages. Navigation. So before I'll show you navigation, I'll show you what your store looks like. Those ones are just the domain, as I showed you earlier, and the preferences, well, it's a bit more advanced. We're not gonna talk about it. Well, we're just not going. It's not that is advanced. We're just not going to talk about it. So let's go on our store and see what it looks like. So for the moment, it should look like this. It's the default settings of Shopify. That's the name of your store, home, catalog, features, everything. So to modify, that's the home page. We're not gonna modify it. My goal now is just to show you how to add pages here or delete pages. So home, catalog, you have all your products. So let's do it. So first of all, you go in navigation. You have two menus, main menu, footer menu, sorry. So main menu, it's the one that is here, and footer menu, it's the one that is here. So you can see it here, header. You have your menu, so main menu, you can change it, and your footer menu is on footer, you can change it also. All right, so let's go on main menu. So you want to modify your main menu. For example, you want to delete the catalog page, just click on the remove, boom. So you'll go here, refresh, oh, I'm sorry, I have to click on save first. So you go here, click on refresh, and you'll see your catalog page disappeared. So right now what we're going to do, we're going to add our collection. So let's say collection 1. Let's say, for example, you sell watches. Watches. Add. Good. So once again, click on save. Refresh the page. As you can see, watches appeared here. You click on watches, and your product of your first collection is here. So we have no image, no nothing. Once again, you understand like how it works. So your collection, so you have your collection here, collection 1 that we named watch, collection 1 that we named watched, and all your products are in collection, well, the products that you selected with the tag product are in our collection 1. So if you want to add other collections, for example, you create another collection, let's do it just for you to understand. So let's say, for example, we'll create another product first. Let's call it product 2, save, and we're gonna put it in collection 2. We're gonna create another collection 2. The only difference this time is that we're gonna put this product manually, just to show you how it works, because it's not that much of a big deal. So collection 2, we're gonna add products manually in collection 2. So as you can see, you have the choice product 1, product 2. So you just add product 2. You can add product 1 also, but this is how it works if you want to add manually product. So right now that we created our second collection, we'll go in navigation and we can edit our main menu. So let's say our second collection, which is collection 2. We're gonna, let's say we sell, I don't know, bags. Add, and we save everything. We'll come back here. So we have our home, watches, and right now we also have bags. So we click on bags, and we have our product 2 that is here. Once again, we didn't modify the price or the quantity, so it's $0 and sold out. So that's the way that Shopify works. So to create to modify your menu, it's gonna be right here. For all the other features, we're gonna see it in other classes. So right now, you're supposed to understand what are all those little things for. Well, the more important ones, and how to navigate on your Shopify store. It's gonna be very, very important when we're gonna be when we're gonna create our store and create something more nice for it. So yeah, thanks guys for watching, and see you on the next class when we are going to create your Shopify theme.